It's a data program, but it's much more than that. It's really a people program. The MSPPM data analytics program is for people who care about making a societal and a policy impact and want to do it through data, technology, and evidence.
We build into the curriculum experiential learning. We teach you the skills, and then you have the opportunity to apply it in a real-world setting.
We have classes that are designed to provide experiential learning. You're not just getting machine learning or econometrics 101, but you're getting it with the policy context in mind. And that's unique. My conversations with every large organization, they're all looking for people who have AI expertise because trying to figure out how does AI work for them. They're looking for people who understand the technical tools and also understand the needs of governments and nonprofits. And that's the intersection that we're producing. The idea is to change policy, to improve policy and societal outcomes through tech and data and evidence. It's going to be an ever-changing set of tools that we need to learn and we need to be good at. Two of the areas that we're training you on is sort of machine learning, predictive analytics, and econometrics and causal inference. Instead of just looking at where problems have happened in the past, and so just exposing inequities and just watching them, combining that with the econometrics and the causal inference piece, we can start figuring out, and what can we do to change that outcome? That coupling of who are the people who are going to experience problems, and then what intervention will best impact them to improve their outcomes in a way that's fair and equitable, that combination is powerful.
Our public servants need to understand how to make sense of messy data. And so they need to work with unstructured data. They need to draw insights from that data and then use it to make decisions about how to deploy limited resources to have the greatest impact.
But it's not enough to just give you the technical skills and the computational and the data analytics skills. We have to teach you how to talk to people, how to communicate, how to write, how to persuade people, how to understand how organizations work and through org design and organizational behavior. You're going into an outcome-focused master's program. And so, yes, passion is necessary, but it's not enough. We're providing you the rest of the toolkit in order for you to turn that passion into impact and outcomes.